Preface: The place of the Judeo-Christian ethic in today's society. Quote, issue: Without order we will have anarchy. What kind of order? The, quote, Brave New World, end quote, of Aldous Huxley. A society controlled by the ferocious ideology of Orwell's Garrison State, or the order which arises out of the Christian ethic as found in God's law word, the Bible. Since all education is religious with the ultimate goal of remaking society, the options are secular humanism or Christianity. A Christian school is essential. That is where religious freedom and the God-directed responsibility of parents and churches must be defended at all costs. The state is not Lord, but Jesus Christ is Lord. End quote. Harold Carter.